That's where we were up there on the Italian border crosses and stuff.
Yep.
At 11,000 feet.
3369 meters.
There's in Italy some more. As we approach the top of the chairlift, you can see the Italian Alps over there. I see the snow blowing up on this side. And over there's
Italian border.
Yeah, there's the one chair we'd gone up to where we got the first pictures. Schneck. Also, there's the edge. Don't miss the turn to go down, otherwise you're going way down. More view back into the Italian Alps. Just mountains, huh? Yeah, so we're coming off. Be nice and windy and breezy. No, it says open here. Remember? So now, here we are coming around. There's a big Cadillac Chrysler thing there. Here we are. Pure ice. Wind so strong it blows the poles out of you. There it is down into Italy.